Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to Rodney's How to Grow a Strong Mindset. This morning is the third episode. Yes, the third episode. And this morning episode is called Emotional Control is Power. Let me say it again. Emotional control is power. Let's get into the opening of what I mean when I say emotional control is power. Anyone can react. Very few can respond. That make any sense? Anyone can react. Very few can respond. The core message of that is a strong mind does not deny emotion. It governs it. Anger, fear, and frustration is a signal. Yes, that's our signal. So let me say it again. Anger, fear, and frustration are signals, not commands. Do you get it? They are signal. When you get angry, when you fear of something, when you get frustrated, they are signal, not commands. Not commands. The teaching point for this is pause. Pause before reaction. Silence is often strength. Calm decision outlast emotional ones. Guys, let me say that again. Pause. In other words, listen. Pause before you talk. Pause before you do anything. Pause before you say anything out of your mouth, because a quick reaction sometimes lead up to be the bad reaction. So in other words, pause before you react. Pause before reaction. Strength. Yeah, strength. Yeah, silence is often strength. So in other words, don't say a word. People may say you are afraid, but sometimes silence, quiet, mean more strength than you think. And guys, this morning closing is the moment you control your emotion, you regain control of your life. Let me say that one more time. The moment you control your emotion, that's when you regain control of your whole entire life. Guys, in this morning episode of Emotion Control is Power, it's simple saying you don't have to react right away, or you can be very silent towards a lot of things and you will be 100% better off. Also, it's saying to you, the moment you control your emotion, in other words, control your reaction, you will regain back your life. You will regain back your strength. And that's is how you grow a strong mindset. Guys, I want to say good morning, good evening, good afternoon, anywhere you are in this beautiful world. Have a wonderful day. And remember, a strong mindset will set you free. Have a beautiful day. I'm out.